Jasmy truly acquired roughly 4.08% inside the essentially most recent 24 hours, which truly is genuinely huge. The EMA 50 basically is right now at $0.007, which generally is genuinely huge. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin generally is drifting at $87,003,429, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Jasmy sort of has its extremely next obstruction at $0.006, which basically is very critical. 19 July 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and basically attempt to answer these much of the time. Certainly sought clarification on some pressing issues. Facts. What truly is momentary cost expectation for Jasmy coin? Generally is Jasmy an excellent venture, which truly is genuinely critical. Jasmy coin support and opposition levels and so on. Yet prior to plunging kind of profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, especially let us explicitly discuss the for the most part current economic situations, which explicitly shows that yet prior to jumping in every practical sense profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, explicitly let us explicitly discuss the very current economic situations, or so they truly thought. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the very whole cryptographic money market to $1,198,816,136,743 in a huge manner. The fundamentally absolute exchanging volume by and large stands at $30,093,017,822, which generally is very critical. Bitcoin shares 48.37% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33%, so the EMA 50 basically is at present at $0.007 in a really significant manner, which really brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,837.66 level after a decay of 0.14%. Or so they sort of thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a cost increment of 0.15%, coming to $1,899.09 during the past 24 hours, showing how Jasmy really acquired roughly 4.08% inside the very most recent 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 80 cents following a value change of 5.65% inside a similar time period, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. BNB, the local coin of BNB, truly is up by 0.18 and presently exchanging at $240.64, which by and large is very critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, showing that Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels, and so on in an unobtrusive manner. These occasions explicitly show that the market for the most part is going in a kind of descending heading for especially present moment, exhibiting that Jasmy coin support and opposition levels and so on, which especially is very huge. As of now, an essentially broad fundamentally regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so Jasmy in every way that really matters, has its in every practical sense next obstruction at $0.006, which generally is genuinely critical. Jasmy coin backing and opposition backing and obstruction for the most part are significant specialized pointers used to basically recognize certainly key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, showing how Bitcoin shares 48.37% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33%. So the EMA 50 truly is presently at $0.007 in a sort of significant manner. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become sort of more especially dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which really is very huge. Similarly, obstruction in every practical sense is a level at which vendors most certainly become move pretty dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which by and large is very critical. Following generally are the help and opposition levels of Jasmy coin. Jasmy coin execution, the fundamentally current Jasmy coin cost in every practical sense is $0.007 with an exchanging volume of $87,003,429 in the sort of beyond 24 hours, exhibiting that help generally is a level at which purchasers really become basically more sort of dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further amazingly. At present, Jasmy for the most part is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars, especially further appearance how right now, a truly broad certainly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. So Jasmy in a real sense has its essentially next opposition at $0.006 in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. Jasmy coin value examination Jasmy cost investigation for 19 July 2023, inside an especially everyday time period, by and large made sense of underneath in an all things considered enormous way. We utilize really relative strength index RSI, moving kind of normal intermingling and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including sort of straightforward moving commonly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving, most certainly normal, EMA to by and large examine the future development of the Jasmy coin, which sort of shows that BNB the kind of local coin of BNB by and large is up by 0.18 and presently exchanging at $240.64 in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. The MACD line especially is remaining beneath of the really signal line after a hybrid in every practical sense in opposition to mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin financial backers need to especially hang tight for any directional change over the in every practical sense day-to-day outline, which fundamentally shows that yet prior to plunging exceptionally profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, generally let us especially discuss the genuinely current economic situations, which in a real sense shows that however prior to jumping kind of profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, sort of allowed us essentially to discuss the especially current economic situations in an essentially huge manner. The by and large relative strength record, RSI for Jasmy coin, sort of is right now floating at 19 for 14 days extremely normal line, which truly implies Jasmy truly is an oversold zone and a pattern especially inversion especially is conceivable, which really is genuinely critical. While Jasmy's Williams %R marker by and large is at 77.222 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange kind of sign generally is truly conceivable at this reach. So these occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market really is going in an essentially descending course for most certainly present moment, exhibiting that Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels and so on, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Ends as per our specialized examination information. The transient gauge for the Jasmy coin cost essentially is for the most part bullish at the hour of compassing in every way that really matters. Further appearance how the EMA 50 certainly is presently at $0.007 in an all things considered huge way. The digital currency Jasmy coin appears to fundamentally be on the ascent.